Mobile 331964.
Mr. Bennett, it's Sue. That telex you're expecting from Sydney has arrived. It says they're willing to go ahead.
Okay, Sue, that's terrific. I'll phone Bill Thompson right now.
Mr. Thompson, a call for you. It's Mr. Bennett.
Yes, George. What can I do for you?
Telecom's new mobile telephone service makes it that easy. As we've seen, we're not restricted to local calls. Apart from STD and ISD, you can also dial other mobile telephone services. And your phone even has a memory for calls you make regularly. So let's see how it all works. The call the secretary made from the office travelled through the main telecom exchange to the centre controlling the mobile telephone service. The call was then automatically transmitted to all mobile base stations in the network. The nearest mobile base station brought the call to our businessman's car, and in turn, the calls he subsequently made were picked up by the mobile base station and fed to the main telecom exchange for routine processing. As the mobile moved from one zone to another, a changeover occurred, but this took only a few seconds and was accompanied by a warning tone. Telecom has established a network of these mobile base stations, initially in Melbourne and Sydney, to provide an efficient service. This is the real heart of the system, a compact unit that fits into a cradle in the boot of your car. As you can see, it doesn't take up much space, and so there's plenty of room left for luggage. You can make calls with the receiver either on the hook or off. As the number is dialed, it's displayed on the LED readout on the handset. There are a number of control buttons on the touchpad which allow you to preset your number before it's transmitted. If you're making calls with your handset on the cradle, a built-in speaker will monitor your call until it's answered. As well as a 16-number memory, your mobile telephone also has an instant recall button to save you the trouble of redialing a busy line each time. All mobile telephone numbers will be prefaced with a code 007. So, there you have it. Telecom's answer to the businessman who has everything, but proper communications when he's on the go.